Okay, so this is the first problem from your homework. If you notice that you have x plus 5 is what you're dividing by, so we can use synthetic division. But you always want to think, what would the solution have been if x plus 5 was one of the factors and negative 5 would be it? Or you can just think, I'm going to change the sign. So negative 5 is what's going to go in our box. Then I'm going to write the coefficients from my other part across the top. So I've got a 2, a 15, 29, and 12. You want to make sure you have 1 for each power. So I had a cube, that was the 2, a squared, that was the 15, a first power, so there's an imaginary little 1 here, first power, that's the 29, and then the constant is 12. Leave a space. We're going to make a line. I'll do a different color just for fun. Let's see, purple. Okay. So we're going to drop the 2 down. And then this is when we start to do multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add in that order. So multiply first. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. I'm going to add these two numbers together. 15 plus negative 10 is 5. Okay, I'm going to multiply. 5 times negative 5. You're always going to do the 1 on the bottom times whatever's in the box. So 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. We add them together. 29 and negative 25, and that makes 4. Then we're going to multiply 4 times negative 5, which makes negative 20. And then add 12 plus negative 20, and you get negative 8. Negative 8 is your remainder. That's when it's going to go on the top of your fraction that you had. This is always your constant, your x squared. If you had more, that would be x cubed, x to the 4th, etc., etc. Okay, so we have 2x squared plus 5x plus 4, and they might put a minus in between, but I like to put a plus. Negative 8 over x plus 5, and that would be your answer for that particular problem. So change the sign of what goes in here. Put that in your box. Write your coefficients across your top part. Drop down the first number and multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add, etc., etc. Okay, so hopefully that helped you a little bit.